Well, I'm at Portland Nursery on Stark Street with Sarah. And Sarah, it is the season to start getting our greens up, and you actually have lots of wreaths and classes.
We do. They're my favorite thing about this season. I love making wreaths, and we have classes and parties. So you can just, if you don't have people to come with, you can sign up for the class. If you've got a group of people that you want to come with, sign up for a private party. And then we also will make it for you if you kind of know what you want, but you don't want to do all the fun part. And then also our staff just makes these custom masterpieces that always amaze me.
Wow,
so
you have creative people here.
We got a lot going on.
So if you are not creative, come to Portland Nursery because they are all creative. And it's not just Christmas greens and wreaths and things, you have plants too. So let's go over and look at plants.
All right.
All right. And look who else we found over here by the plants. We have Elizabeth.
We got a baby back again.
And, you know, she reminds us, too, that there's always plants here at Portland Nursery.
There are. And, you know, people forget about plants a lot in the winter, but there's a lot of really festive plants, like these gorgeous red cyclamen.
Wow.
These amaryllis are just, they say Christmas like
they
nothing
do.
else.
And they're so fun to watch.
Yeah, and one that I'm not sure we can see is the Dusty Miller is one of my favorites. It's got that snowy kind of look, but then you've also got these different grasses.
Beautiful.
Some different peppermints and things that can be used in the garden year round. So it doesn't have to be a dull time in the garden.
Not at all. And we want it on our front porch because it just goes with the season. That's lovely.
And it's nice to have your front porch looking nice when people are coming in for the holidays, you know.
Definitely. And really today's a big day for your company.
Yeah, it's Small Business Saturday. So we've got, you know, our open house going on, but in general, it's good to support small businesses, family businesses.
And you know, the best part about supporting local businesses, and you're supporting the next generation and the families of those businesses.
Family business, so how can you say no to that little face?
Oh, it's so true. Oh my gosh, it is right in the heart. So really, today is the day to come out to Portland Nursery on Stark Street and on Division. Enjoy the open house, get your gifts all taken care of, and have a great time supporting all the local businesses in your area. Thanks so much.
Thanks.